Searching for the best image comparison slider module for your Divi website? Quickly display before and after versions of images on your Divi website. Introducing Divi Before After Slider TNC. Compare images on your Divi website smartly and elegantly with a perfect sliding feature. Now, let's explore the live preview of Divi Before After Slider TNC. Divi Before After Slider TNC ensures smooth transitions to get the best visual experience according to your needs. By showcasing side-by-side comparisons, you can highlight differences, emphasize improvements, and provide a clear understanding of your message. You can perfectly showcase your work results, photo retouching, various business services, and many more places. The module is designed to deliver fast loading times and smooth interactions. You can easily drag and drop images and adjust slider settings and appearances. By integrating into your Divi Builder projects, this module empowers you to create stunning before and after comparisons that captivate your audience and drive engagement. This module offers unparalleled ease of use, versatility, and customization. The customer can control Divi Before After Slider TNC, and the measurement of the following image can be different. Its responsive design ensures a perfect viewing experience across all devices, and its support for various image formats provides flexibility when presenting your content. This simple integration process lets you quickly incorporate stunning visual comparisons into your Divi website. When you choose Divi Before After Slider TNC, you can access exceptional support from the Theme Encode team. Where to find Divi Before After Slider TNC? Go to Elegant Themes Divi Marketplace and search for Divi Before After Slider TNC, and you get this module. Here you will find every information about Divi Before After Slider TNC, and can purchase this module quickly. So, if you are looking for the best image comparison slider module, get Divi Before After Slider TNC, and if you want to browse more Divi products, visit divi.themeencode.com.